Escorts Kubota Railway Equipment Division witnessed its inception in 1962. The company has state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities totaling an area of over 90,000 square yards and a dedicated team that makes the difference. The group has been operating in diverse fields, namely agri-machinery, construction equipment and railway equipment division. Escorts Kubota's Railway Equipment Division follows the highest levels of manufacturing and testing standards to achieve excellence in all processes. Apart from having a strong R&D center, the company has the ability to manufacture and test products as per the customer's requirements, specifications and standards. Along with its pan-India presence, the company has a global footprint across Asia, Africa, Europe and Oceania. The products are manufactured as per the RDSO standards and are fully compliant with UIC and AAR. It is an ISO 9001-2015 company and received coveted railway industry-specific IRIS certification. The range of products is widely used in passenger coaches, wagons, EMUs, high-speed, metro coaches and locomotives. Sourcing some of the best technologies from around the world, the company has pioneered the introduction of innovative products in Indian Railways time after time since its inception. Escorts Kubota Railway Equipment Division specializes in design, development and manufacturing of braking, coupling, suspension, rubber and friction products. We manufacture brake systems like microprocessor-controlled brake system, air brake system, electro-pneumatic brake system, axle-mounted disc brake system, bogie-mounted brake system. Escorts Kubota is the first Indian company to introduce in-house developed microprocessor-controlled brake system or EMCBS to Indian Railways. EMCBS is a fail-safe system integrated with advanced software and interface with train control units. Escorts Kubota's disc brake system assures the highest level of reliability and performance in today's modern passenger trains, meeting all the operational standards of the customer. Bogie-mounted brake system is a modern high-tech modular system indigenously developed for Indian Railways for use in freight wagons. Escorts Kubota manufactures several types of couplers like semi-permanent coupler, automatic coupler, locomotive coupler and AARH coupler. AARH coupler is a product of intensive in-house research and development. Escorts Kubota AARH high tensile tight lock center buffer couplers are designed for modern passenger coaches with inbuilt anti-climbing safety feature. Escorts Kubota provide a wide range of dampers for locomotives, passenger coaches including LHB coaches and metros. Among them, the hydraulic dampers are heavy-duty double-acting telescopic shock absorbers designed for ultra-rugged performance, extreme durability and sustained load-bearing capacity year in year out. Apart from these, Escorts Kubota manufactures many other products. The product range includes composite brake locks and pads for wagons and locomotives, featuring reduced noise, long life and asbestos-free technology. The need of the industry changes with the passage of time. Escorts Kubota comes with excellence, modernity and functionality, which help it to predict the future and equip itself with technologies to rise to the future challenges.